Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. As-salatu was-salamu ala khatimin nabiyyin wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajma'in. Amma ba'd, fa'auzu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Qala Allahu ta'ala fi Surah Al-Anaam. وَلَهُ مَا سَكَنَ فِي اللَّيْلِ وَالنَّهَارِ وَهُوَ السَّمِيعُ الْعَلِيمُ. Translation: and to him belongs that exists or rests in the night and the day, and he is all hearing, all knowing. In the previous ayah, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala mentioned that to Allah belongs all what is in the heavens and on the earth, meaning Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala mentioned about the space, about the position of the things, and each and everything, no matter where it is, belong to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. In today's ayah, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is mentioning about the time, about the day and night, that whatever is in the day or night belongs to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. The word sakana means rest, and Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has the ownership whatever is resting in the day or in the night time. And it could also mean that whatever has been established in the day and night belongs to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, and it may also point towards the creations of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala that are at rest and not moving. These belong to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. All these things include in the things that were mentioned in the previous ayah, that whatever is in the heavens and in the earth belongs to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. However, when they are discussed and mentioned here separately, they become more obvious, and if somebody is pondering on his surroundings, he will see lots of things, and they all belong to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Some scholars have said that in this ayah, the word opposite to sakana is taharraka, and this is understood and not written here in this ayah by Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. In the ayah may be translated as that it belongs to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala whatever is resting at the night time and whatever is moving during the daytime, because the daytime is for movement and the night time is for resting. Wallahu alam. In the end of the ayah, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says, وَهُوَ السَّمِيعُ الْعَلِيمُ, meaning that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is all hearing and all knowing. He hears everything and he knows everything. So whoever is saying something, or whoever is intending something, or whoever is doing something, they should ponder on these acts of themselves, because they are all known by Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, and they must think that their words, their actions, or their intentions are in accordance to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's commandments, or they are against the commandments of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, and everyone should try to correct himself all the time. Let's praise Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, give us true understanding of Quran. Ameen wa akhiru da'wana alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.